It says, Leslie, always strive to become better. I am rooting for you. And this was Gretchen. Thanks, Gretchen, if you're out there. Good morning, you all, y'all, everyone out there. It is March 7th. Of course, Romeo is scratching himself as I speak. I went to teach a class at the gym this morning, and now I'm home and I'm about to open my package. You know me, I like to spend my money and show you guys what I got and just kind of share my honest thoughts on things. It is my 1UP nutrition. First up, I just want to say that for me, most of the proteins that I've tried taste very similar. And I was just telling my sister that I was like kind of over protein shakes because they all taste the same. Hence why I ended up getting a clear protein to mix it up. They're always milky, they're always chocolate, peanut butter, or vanilla, whatever the sorts. But this one is like a lemonade, so I like it. And then I tried one of their samples of the coconut ice cream and I had to order it. So let's start. First up, here's the WHEY Protein. It's coconut ice cream. It's one of their most popular flavors. My friend recommended it to me. It's got 23 grams of protein and they even come with BCAAs included, which help with muscle recovery. Delicious, delicious. Definitely excited to try this. It has slight flavor of coconut, very creamy, very ice creamy flavor. So great for dessert or to incorporate in your day. BCAAs. So they have one with glutamine and collagen for women, and I got the watermelon candy. That seemed to be a flavor that jumped out at me, and I think girls have mentioned it in videos. It also has magnesium, promotes growth, protein synthesis, performance and strength, promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails, and promotes rehydration. So I've never really taken BCAAs, but I do notice that I get really sore once I start back at the gym, and so I thought I incorporate something like this to see how that changes how I feel. Daily cleanse. I've heard wonders about this. It promotes anti-bloating, supports digestive health, supports overall weight loss, and helps detoxify your body. I've read the reviews and my friend also told me really good things about it, so I thought I'd use this. It's always good to have a healthy gut, a regular gut, but I used to have constipation and my body's super unforgiving, so if I'm not eating the right macronutrients, balanced meals, and fibrous foods, I notice it immediately. So this is what I wanted to incorporate in my daily routine because why not? Last but not least, L-Carnitine. This I've never tried. What it does is helps your fat turn into energy. I've never had L-Carnitine before, so I'm just wanting to test this out. I do have some stubborn fat, and if you follow me and watch my videos, you can tell, but I have like little areas around my back and tummy that just don't go away. And even though I did once upon a time a whole like ab, I was adamant about doing ab work, it just still hung out. So I'm just gonna see how my body reacts to this. And I got the flavor Mimosa, which is a limited edition. So I'd be heartbroken if I really liked it and then they take it away. The really cool thing about when you place orders is almost per item, you can choose 2 samples of whatever is on the list. And so I got a few other things to try out here. I wanted to try the orange mango clear protein, the peanut butter cookie protein. There's a pre-workout. There's like a his and her line, but I got the Miami Vice for me, some greens and reds, because that's always good to incorporate in your daily diet. It's kind of blurry. Pre-workout for him, blue raspberry, Miami Vice. And they also give you like a little cute handwritten note. It says, Leslie, always strive to become better. I am rooting for you. And this was Gretchen. Thanks, Gretchen, if you're out there. Thank you. So that's kind of cute. And it is handwritten. You can tell that it's handwritten if you put it to the light. And a coupon for your next order, or go support someone that has a code for ordering supplements. Because obviously, if one wins, we all win. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll keep you guys posted. So far, so good. And hold me accountable. I'm trying to do better things this year. Almost every year I try to jump on a healthy routine, which is, I think, better than nothing. But the way I'm approaching it is just supplementing to my needs. I know there are so many supplements out there, but I thought I'd start with these items, see how my body feels, and then maybe layer on little by little. Later on today, we're gonna go head over to the gym because if you do CrossFit, it's 24.2 announcement. What are some guesses? I think there's gonna be a rower in this one, but we'll see. I don't know that I heard.
Right there.
Oh, 10 deadlifts. That's heavy for me. So far, what I've been liking is today when my order came in, I got an email saying your order. They actually send you like educational information about the products that you ordered. They have here the pre-workout, and then I guess they show you different other products in the flavor, and then this one about the BCAA. So it's like you learn as you go and you're being educated on what you're taking, and it just makes you excited. It's fun to enjoy this process and learn about it and then know what's happening in your body. Kind of like your approach is a little more, it's different. It's kind of knowing that you're doing good for you. Does anybody else agree? Actually, un momento. Let's go ahead and taste test. They all come wrapped as you saw. So I just ripped that off. I like that they come sealed, extra sealed. Freshness. It's clear. And it says to take 1 tablespoon 1 to 2 times a day or as suggested. Refrigerate after opening. So we're gonna shake it. How much is a tablespoon? Crap. I guess I'll put it here and then into the top so I know in the future how much it is, so I don't have to be doing all this every time. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. It's a little tart at the end, so my like glands are, ooh, it's good. It's really good. I think it tastes better if it were cold, but it does taste like an orange mimosa, minus the champagne, of course. But that's refreshing. It says you can mix it with whatever, you know, like juice or beverage if you want, like if it's too much for you, but I wouldn't mind doing like shots with these. Probably quicker, less, you know, things that you need to dirty anyways. I think we're okay with this. And not to mention, I got sent like 50 protein recipes. So I went to Trader Joe's and got almond flour and baking powder because one of them have like protein crepes or like pancakes that I want to try. It says, Leslie, always strive to become better. I am rooting for you. And this was Gretchen. Thanks, Gretchen, if you're out there. About that workout. If you didn't catch it, it's 300-meter row, 10 deadlifts, 50 double unders, 125 pounds for the ladies, 185 for the guys. You can do singles. I'd guess it's 2.5 minutes per round or so. I think shorties have advantage on the deadlift and maybe the double unders, and then the tallies have advantage on the rower. So tomorrow will be the day. The good thing is that I was going to tell you that they don't have designated area for the equipment. Last year that was horrendous. You had to measure everything to a distance and that was horrible. So maybe I'll take you guys along tomorrow to watch some of our people do the workout. But for now, good night till tomorrow.